to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister for this inauguration of the and dedication of the PSA oxygen generation plants to the service of the state and the nation, sir. Sir, as all the collectors, all other officials, the entire state population, sir, the government of India, everybody has seen the phenomenal leadership, sir, that has been provided by the Honorable Chief Minister in this unprecedented COVID pandemic, both in the first wave and in the second wave, sir. The timely decisions taken by the Honorable Chief Minister in several cases have served as a role model for the entire country, sir. For instance, sir, the Honorable CM had decided that PSA plants should be set up in all the, not only the government hospitals which have more than 50 beds, but also all the private hospitals which have at least 100 beds. Subsequently, the Government of India communicated instructions to all the states, sir, to make similar provisions in the rules in the respective states, sir. Similarly, sir, a lot of people-friendly decisions in tackling COVID pandemic were taken, particularly in arranging free treatment in Arogyasri empaneled hospitals. Even when the vaccination program was started by the Government of India, sir, the Honorable Chief Minister took several important decisions, particularly to focus vaccination program in the secretariat areas and also mobilize the public by visiting home to home through the village and ward secretariat volunteer level teams, sir. While when this program was started in AP, sir, there was criticism of this initiative in the media, sir. Subsequently, Government of India directed all the states to set up similar vaccination centers at village level and wards level in the entire country, sir. And also, under the Ghar Ghar Dastak campaign, house-to-house visits were also taken up by all the states, sir. The decision that we will confine our vaccination first to the 45+ age group, when almost the entire country also was taking parallelly the 18 to 45 vaccination, paid rich dividends, sir, and we were, by any standard, sir, far ahead of most of the other states in vaccinating the 45+ age group population, sir. And today, we can proudly say that we have achieved 100% vaccination of the adult population in the state, sir. And yesterday, the Honorable Chief Minister had a meeting, Honorable Prime Minister had a meeting, sir, on COVID preparation in the country, and it was found that AP is way, way ahead of all other states in vaccinating the 15 to 18 age group, sir. The Honorable Chief Minister has been very, very liberal with the funds to be spent for COVID management, sir. Till today, sir, we have almost spent around 3,600 crores purely on COVID management. Whenever any request has been raised by any district or by the officials here at state level, sir, Honorable CM has been very, very kind to immediately consider any request for funds to ensure that the COVID management program doesn't suffer at all, sir. So on this occasion, sir, I would like to heartily congratulate APMSIDC and all the district collectors and their teams right up to village and ward secretariat level, particularly the Anganwadi workers and their staff also, sir, for making this program a success, sir, and timely installation of all the PSA devices completed by MSIDC in coordination with the collectors, sir. On this occasion, I invite also the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and Health Minister, sir, the Honorable Minister, Urban Development also, sir, MAUD, sir, all the Honorable Public Representatives, including MLAs, MPs, and Honorable Ministers present at the district level functions, sir, respected Chief Secretary, sir, all the district collectors and their teams there at the district level, sir, and all my colleagues present here in the conference room, sir. With this, I thank once again for the opportunity given to me and the Honorable Chief Minister, sir, for the time given for the inauguration program, sir, and I request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and Honorable Minister for Health to kindly give his address, sir.